Shashi Tharoor likely to appear in court for Sunanda Pushkar death case. New Delhi. Congress leader Shashi Tharoor is expected to appear before a court in Delhi today in connection with his wife Sunanda Pushkar's death case. The court had summoned Mr. Tharoor after a 3,000-page charge sheet was filed against him by the Special Investigation Team, SIT, probing the case. The court had on Thursday granted the former union minister protection from arrest in the case. While granting him anticipatory bail, the court said Mr. Tharoor can't fly abroad without its permission. The SIT had opposed his anticipatory bail plea. Last month the court said there were sufficient grounds to proceed against him on charges of cruelty and abetting suicide. Sunanda Pushkar, 51, was found dead in her suite at a five-star hotel in Delhi on January 17, 2014, 2 days after accusing her husband on social media of having an affair with a Pakistani journalist. Mr. Tharoor, say investigators, ignored and disconnected her calls in the days before her death. Sunanda Pushkar used the social media to reach him, but those messages were also ignored, says the charge sheet. Her last mails and messages on social media have been taken by the police as her dying declaration. In his appeal for protection, Mr. Tharoor said the charge sheet was filed without any arrest. The law is very clear that if the charge sheet is filed without arrest, bail is inevitable, said Mr. Tharoor's lawyer. The former union minister has called the charges preposterous and baseless, and the product of a malicious and vindictive campaign.